Hi guys, today's video is an excerpt from the Princess Aurora costume I've made for my daughter last March. I will be showing you how to make a full circle skirt only. I've been using this method for the past costumes of my daughter, and here it is. Fold the fabric lengthwise, then crosswise. I am using the full length of the fabric, so I just went on and measured it from the pointed edge, making the marks until I created an arc form on the fabric. Connect the marks and trace to draw an arc. Pin the fabric together following the arc line, then cut. This is to ensure the fabric won't move while you cut. Measure another arc line at the top of the skirt to make a waistline. Finally, sew the hemline. And here's the finished product, DIY costume for Princess Aurora.